Ben! This is not my flamingo.
Lucy? This is not our suitcase.
This is not our suitcase. Then where is our bag?
Hello? I have a problem. I took the wrong bag. They want me to press 1, 2, or 3. For what?
Ben, stop. We go to the airport, now.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Excuse me. I think I took the wrong suitcase. Our bag is black with a red ribbon. I am very sorry.
And this is also not ours.
Excuse me. Someone took my bag. It is black, and I need what is inside, immediately.
Is this what you need, sir?
Yes. This is my flamingo. Her name is Patricia.
Thank you. This is our bag.
Today we learned one important phrase. Excuse me, I think I took the wrong suitcase. You can use this at any airport, in any country. Write one word in the comments. And see you in the next story.